Dear students, this is your science teacher Charu ma'am. As you are already familiar with the term plant, that they play a very important role in our life. So, today we will learn about plant cultivation and how various agricultural activities are being taken for the better growth of plant. Let us start first chapter, which is crop production and management. Crop. What is a crop? Crop is basically a terminology which is related to plant. That means when plants of same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. That means when many plants of same kind are grown on same area, that would be called as crop. If we take an example of wheat crop, that means many plants of the wheat would have to be grown on the same area to be called as a wheat crop. As you know that geographical conditions vary from one place to another in our country India. That means the climatic conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from one place to another. So depending upon the different climatic conditions, crops have been divided into two types, and these two types of crops are Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops and Kharif crops, these two types of crops are seasonal crops. Kharif crops are grown during rainy season. As you know that rainy season in India comes in June or the mid-June or the last week of the June, and it persists till September. So during this period of rainy season, Kharif crops are grown, and the examples of Kharif crops are paddy, maize, soyabean, groundnut and cotton. And the second type of Rabi crops is grown during winter season. Winter season, it starts from October and it persists till March. So during this period of winter season, Rabi crops are grown, and the examples are Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. So these were the two types of crops. But the main focus of this chapter is based on how cultivation is done in an orderly manner for the better growth of the plant. So the next topic we will start with is basic practices of crop production. In this topic, we are going to study about 7 steps or 7 agricultural activities that are being done in an orderly manner for the better growth of the plant or crop. And these 7 agricultural practices are: first is preparation of soil, second is sowing, third is adding manure and fertilizer, fourth is irrigation, fifth is protecting from weeds, sixth is harvesting, and seventh is storage. So these were the 7 agricultural practices or agricultural activities that have to be taken in an orderly manner by a farmer for the better growth of plant. And we will study about these 7 practices in step by step. Let us start the very first step of agricultural activities, and that is preparation of soil. Under this step, turning and loosening, these two processes are done in the soil. What is loosening and turning of the soil?